In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone in Capcut. Capcut is a versatile video editing app that's widely used to create dynamic and engaging content right from your mobile device. Whether you're looking to create a special effect or just want to get creative with your videos, cloning is an excellent technique to master, and today I'll walk you through each step. First, you'll need to open your Capcut app and start a new project. This is the foundation for any creative project you choose to undertake with Capcut. Once your new project is set up, the next step is to add your initial video clip. This is the base upon which all the magic will happen, so make sure it's the main footage you want to work with. After you've successfully added your main video clip, it's time to introduce the second video. To do this, tap on Overlay at the bottom toolbar and then select Add Overlay to incorporate your second video clip. This will essentially work as your clone layer over the initial video. You want these two videos to interact with each other seamlessly, so what comes next is quite crucial. Zoom the second clip into the first until you notice a white line connecting them. This white line is your main visual cue that the videos are aligned properly. Alignment is important because it ensures the elements in your video come together cohesively, creating that smooth cloning effect. Next, direct your attention to the bottom toolbar and search for the mask option. This is where the real magic starts to happen. Tap on it and then select horizontal. The horizontal mask option will allow you to split the view between your two clips horizontally, which is perfect for cloning effects. The aim here is to position the yellow line that appears to a specific degree so that both subjects from the two videos are visible and aligning just the way you want them. Once you have positioned the yellow line correctly, enhancing the blend of these two clips is the final touch. Head back to the horizontal menu again and look for the feather option. Tapping on feather helps to soften the edges of the mask, ensuring the transition between the two clips is smooth and natural. This finer blending makes the clone effect believable and visually pleasing. Finally, after you're satisfied with the arrangement and blending of both clips, it's time to export your video. Simply tap on the export button and your creative masterpiece is ready to share with the world. With these steps, you can create captivating video effects, making your content stand out. Practice these techniques and soon you'll be a Capcut pro. Happy editing!